Okay, I'm making a quick cook. I'm doing saltfish fritters. And so this is my pot, my hot. So first, all right, what I gotta do first? Pick up my saltfish. All right, so this is my saltfish. So this saltfish already boiled and extract most of the salt from it. So I'm just picking it up. Yeah, so pick up the saltfish, reasonable size. This is a quick and fast, quick.
See if you look right underneath there, under the sink.
Spill some paint.
Hey, good.
Yeah, so this is my saltfish. Yeah, so this is you're doing saltfish fritters, so you don't want any bone. So that's it. This is the saltfish. Then I gotta use this seasoning in it. So I want to do this really minute quick as possible. So that's my scallion. Add it to it. Onion. This is tomatoes. Put some of these away. So as I cut them, I put them in, add them to the saltfish. These are my thyme. What I gotta do, I gotta just drag the leaves off. I don't need the sticks. So I just drag it this way, get rid of the leaves.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah? Yes, it did. Thank you.
Yeah, so that's my, yeah.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Thyme.
You what? You got that to take anything.
Alright, tomato. Trying to do this quick. Setting a bit of a thyme in.
Here.
Thyme in. Thyme. Yeah, so I'm trying to do this as quick as possible. Okay, a little piece of pepper. My base is too small, but it gotta work. Something bigger. Yes, it's just too small. Alright, so those are the ingredients that I use. So I'm going to add flour to this and baking powder and a little salt, some black pepper, and that's it. But I'm having a problem here. Yeah, so this is a bigger container. Yes, it is. So, I'm gonna add some flour to this. And this is 1 cup of flour. Two cups of flour. Baking powder. So I'd add 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. A little salt. No, well, that's like half a teaspoon because it have saltfish in it. Half a teaspoon of salt. And then you gotta add water. What you can do, you can kind of Saltfish Fritters. That's what we make. Oh, I'm gonna add a little black pepper. About a teaspoon. Now I'm gonna add my water. So I add 1 cup of water.
Yeah.
2 cups of water. We don't want it too thin, so we gotta stir. See what it is like.
Okay.
I am live. I'm cooking live.
How you doing?
I'm good.
That's good. Oh, you
Same to you. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, this gonna need some more water, but I'm making sure. So I'm gonna put half cup more.
Troy, this is a neat setup.
Yeah, I'm streaming live.
Oh, you are. Sorry.
No problem. It's a real thing. Live. Yeah, so I'm streaming live on YouTube. So I'm making saltfish fritters.
Nice.
Yes, just demonstrating what to do and things. So the oil is there hot. Viewers are looking. Yes, so yes, I can put some more water in this, but yeah, what? Now we're gonna make it stay at this space. Anyway, Rob, thank you for I try to
Yeah.
make it simple, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
That's good. You take these all in there tonight to make it.
Rachel,
Healthy out.
this is saltfish fritters, so it's basically like dumpling, but it have vegetable and saltfish in it. I gotta give you one.
Yeah?
Yeah, I gotta give you one.
Sounds interesting.
You want one when you finish?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
You gotta tell me.
All right. So guys, this mixture is ready. That is it. All it's to it. This is ready. And if you do it, and you can put this set. So I gotta put this in the pot. And this is it. Believe it or not, this is how it's done. So that's one. And you can put, you don't have to full the spoon. Like if you want them smaller, you can put less in the spoon. Yes, that's it. Easy as that. So quick and easy as that. So my Saltfish Fritters is on the way. So you don't need a lot of stuff, it's just simple and easy. So this is nothing hard, simple and easy. Sketching color already. I'm gonna turn it, I make it. So I said 15 minutes, Saltfish Fritters 15 minutes. How many minutes gone? About 11 minutes. Sure, I will get just 15 minutes like that. It's simple and easy. So I'm gonna turn and fritters it, the color. Nice. 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 See how it's done? Easy, nothing hard. So all I need to do is eat when it comes to a complete fry. Eat. So see, looking nice. So the Saltfish fritter is a mixture of flour, a little baking powder, scallion, onion, a little thyme leaf, some thyme leaf, a little piece of sweet pepper. Just put some veg seasoning. The seasoning, it can be optional, because you can take out what you don't like and you can put what you like. You know, but the principle is just the same. But this is it. Simple and easy. This is not really, just need a little more, but that's it. Simple and easy. So a little quick cook, you know. So if you like to eat dumpling but you don't want to put your hand and get involved with the flour, this is the next way, the wet method. Put some saltfish, put some seasoning, a little black pepper, the baking powder, hot your oil, and that's it. So I promise you, the Saltfish Fritters within 15 minutes. Here you go. So this is a plate with some paper towels, so you know to just get to drain some of the oil. Alright, so I'm going to turn it one more time. Alright. One more time. And if you do them smaller, the easier for them to cook. The thinner it be, the inside cook quickly. So I'm gonna do the next step. I gotta get them thinner. I didn't put too much. It's not a problem. The same taste. Simple and easy. So there you got it. Yeah, they could. You can make them smaller. But as I say, it's just appearance, same flavor. And the inside would take a quicker cook. So simple and easy, saltfish fritters. So I'm gonna demonstrate again. I'm gonna do some smaller ones. So less in the spoon. Simple. So, as you know, leave a comment, tell me if I'm doing a good job. If I'm not, you know, I'm happy to listen. So, saltfish fritters. So I would say I give a shout out to all my viewers, and my subscribers, family and friends. I'm just doing what I know, you know. So you see, I made them smaller so I get more. So this is 5, the first time it was 4. So I gotta take, with these I gotta make a thumbnail, use them to make my thumbnail more perfect. So the thumbnail don't have any fritters in, just have the ingredients. So there you have it. Saltfish fritters, quick and easy, very tasty. Alright, so okay, so I gotta turn these. So these one are smaller, so they and if you notice, I'm not using, most of the time I cook, I'm not using the right gear, you know. It's just I just cook. I kind of cook from the heart, so I don't really have like, well, I might have them, but sometimes I'm not paying attention, so I don't have the right stuff to make it look than professional. It's the same result. So that's it. That's it. And the oil is hot, so you don't want to play around with the oil like what you see I'm doing here. So there you see it. So it's simple, Saltfish fritters with within 15 minutes, saltfish, flour, some baking powder, scallion, thyme, onion, piece of sweet pepper, little black pepper, and that's it. Water, make a paste, add your oil, put them in whatever size or shape you want them. That's it. So I think this explains it all. Oh wait, I want to break one of them for you to see the inside. Oh. Don't want to break these. I want these for the thumbnail. What I'm doing now is the piece, I'm eating them. The little piece, the crispy piece. I'm just going to eating them. Yeah, these one was reasonable size. The more presentable size. So big up, you gotta big up some chef and some people who get teaching from like Alexander Knight. Ever you name Dean in England. You might be not even know that I'm still cooking. You have Swabia. You have my mother. There's a lot of people inside of me cooking. So these are ready. You don't want them to burn. You see? Ready to eat. Ready to eat. That's as simple and easy as it. So that's it. So that's it. Okay, I say so I want to break one of these for you to see the inside. See it? It's cooked. It's cooked. It's not raw, it's well cooked. So that's it. That's my saltfish fritters. So thank you all for watching. See you in my next video.
Spicy.